Hello! Today I'm going to show you how to iron an image onto the fabric of your choice like the one I'm wearing right now. So first what you're going to do is you're going to lay the garment that you're using flatly on the iron place. Then you're going to take your iron and iron the section where you're going to put the image for about 20 seconds. When you're done, you're going to take the image that you received. The one I'm using today is a bee. And you're going to see that there's like a piece of paper in the back and you have to peel that off. Okay, so you're going to peel this off and this is the back paper that you don't need anymore. What you're left is with like a thin piece of like transfer paper. So what you're going to do is you're going to lay it on the area where you want it to be. Like this. Then this is like a small piece, so you should only have to iron it for about 45 seconds. Then you're going to take your parchment paper, which can be found in your kitchen. You're going to take your iron and you're just going to place it on top for a few seconds. So after you've hovered it for about like 3 to 4 seconds, you're going to move it up and down continuously. Make sure you're getting all the sides and corners covered evenly with the same amount of heat. You're going to go in small circles around the image. And make sure to get the edges. So after you think that it's been about 45 seconds and all the corners are evenly heated, you're going to remove the iron and let this parchment paper, let it cool down for about 30 seconds. So after it's been about 30 seconds, you're going to start to slowly peel with one finger pushing down to keep the sides from coming off. Slowly peel it off and ta-da! So, this is what the finished product looks like. So, the instructions for washing this is you should let it sit for about 24 hours or 1 day before you wash it. And when you do, flip the shirt inside out like this. The pictures inside, and do not tumble dry. Thanks for watching. Bye.